In this video, I will show you how to edit PDF document, most easiest way without installing any software in 2024. See this a PDF document, I want to edit this PDF document. Go to your browser and go to this link below in description. Click Edit a PDF document, click Upload PDF file. See the PDF file uploaded. See here the PDF editing tool, you use this tool as necessary. Now just select text, which text you want to edit. See here the image tab, you can add image from here. See here the sign tab, you can make sign, upload sign from here. See here the shape tool, you can draw shape from here. After finish all editing, click apply changes. Click download to download the edited file. See this is the after look of the PDF document. This is the before look of the PDF document. That's it, enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.